Hi, good morning. This is the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, the department that everybody wants to be in dentistry, because here we do all surgical procedures that concern the face, the mouth, and some parts of the skull and the neck as well. So this department primarily concerns with surgical procedures in the mouth regarding teeth and the adjoining bones around the teeth. There are tumors that we treat, there are cysts and conditions that are not found anywhere else in the body, that are only exclusive to the mouth and the area of the face that we treat surgically. Then there is injuries to the face, the teeth and the jaws that we deal with in this department extensively. Patients often require emergency care, so we are trained to provide that kind of care. And post-surgically, the bones having been brought into position and fixed in that area, we have a good ICU backup, which we are lucky to have in this center, that allows us to take care of patients until the time they are discharged. Apart from that, cosmetic surgery is the other thing that a lot of people want to be able to carry out, which this department trains our surgical residents to become proficient in. So cosmetic surgery of the jaws, not limited necessarily to the jaws, but also to extensions of the areas below the eyeball, parts of the nose, parts of the skull, is what we deal with in this department, called as orthognathic surgery. So apart from injuries or trauma, soft tissue injuries to the face, hard tissue injuries to the facial bones, the infections that we encounter from patients carrying infected, diseased teeth, decayed teeth for a long time, often end up with swellings in the neck, swellings around the face, and then can be life-threatening. So this department, surgical residents are trained to deal with those, including emergency care and post-operative care after the drainage of such infections, which can be life-threatening again. So the upcoming field in the last 2 decades has been implants, and dental implants for the restoration of missing teeth is often a procedure that is combined with the usage of grafts from the hip, the leg and other parts of the jaw. Is a very integral part of the curriculum for postgraduate training here, and we train residents to be proficient in the usage of graft materials, both synthetic and natural, and harvest those grafts from the hip, from the shin bone, and also from other parts of the face, from the jaws. So that's the Department of Oral Maxillofacial Surgery. It's a great place to be, to learn and to experience the joys of being able to cure people with facial maladies that are not curable by other professional colleagues, and that are exclusively dealt with by our department.